here's the reason I'm having trouble selling this Mustang. Listen to that tap. Thinking tappets or lifters. Not sure, but I don't know. I might just fix it, or I don't know. I want to make something off it, so I'm gonna try to fix it and see what happens. So the engine light's on now, or check fuel cap. No, the engine light's not on. Check fuel cap is, and the fuel cap's tight. So this has a tick or tap in it. Probably a lifter. This car needs to go. Is it missing too? Sounds like it's missing. Piece of shit. Not sure what I could get out of this car. Not much.